Hi, welcome to Grade 7 Economics. My name is Linu Alex. I am teaching economics. Today's video, I am going to talk about the topic allocation of resources. Before going deep into the topic, let's discuss what are the things we are studying in economics. First of all, economics is a study of wealth. Economics is a study of the resources and how we are using it. And human wants are unlimited, so we have to use the resources in a proper way. All these things we are studying in the subject economics. Now let's move to the next step. You already studied in the business studies what is the difference between the needs and wants. As we know, the needs are the basic necessities of life without which we cannot live, and the wants are the things other than needs that is not needed for the survival. As we studied earlier, human wants are unlimited. We have a lot of wants to satisfy in our daily life. Same like the economy also facing a lot of wants to satisfy with. In such situation, it is the duty of an organization or the government to use their resources in a proper way to satisfy all our wants and needs. The resources are limited and at the same time our wants are unlimited. So it is not balancing. Human wants are unlimited but resources are very limited. That creates the basic economic problem. This is the basic economic problem facing all the economies in the world. We can call this one as the scarcity. Now let's see. We have unlimited wants and we have limited resources. So how can we use these limited resources for unlimited wants? The only thing the organization or the government can do is they have to plan properly. They have to plan the resources properly and produce the goods and services. This is called allocation of resources. Allocation of resources is a strategic process whereby an organization plans to use its available resources for a production of goods and services. What is the word meaning of allocation? Allocation means it's an action or a process of sharing out something. Here, what the government is sharing or any organization is sharing with. Here, the resources are limited but our wants are unlimited. So the economy has to share their resources or allocate their resources to produce different goods and services according to their importance. That is called allocation of resources. Okay, now the country is planning to allocate the resources or organization planning to allocate the resources in an economy. They have limited resources and they have unlimited wants. In such situation, every organization or economy has to answer three main important questions. They are what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. What to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Let's discuss one by one. The first question is what to produce. Before providing goods and services to the economy, the government or organization should think what type of goods we have to produce. Either it is a consumer good or it is a capital good. So different types of goods are in the economy. So before going to the hand, the government should plan or organization should plan what type of goods and services is needed to the economy. Second one, in what to produce, we have another part. How much we have to produce. For example, the resources are very limited. As a result, we are unable to produce all the goods and services to the economy. So we have to decide how much quantity we have to produce the goods and services. So I want to conclude the first question. What to produce, we have to decide two things. What type of products we have to produce and what type of services we have to provide to the economy. At the same time, how much we have to produce the goods and services. or in which quantity. As we discussed earlier, human wants are unlimited, but the resources are very limited. In such situation, if a country wants to produce the goods and services more, they have to reduce the production of another good, or another way we can say opportunity cost. As we know, opportunity cost is the next best alternative is foregone when we are making the choices. So the government or the organizations are very much care about what type of products we are producing and in which quantity. Second question, the economy answer to allocate the resources is how to produce. In the how to produce section, here we are discussing about different techniques of production. There are different techniques of production, mainly labor intensive production and capital intensive production. Labor intensive production means the production process is using more labors and less capital. And capital intensive means more capital and less labor in production process. Say for example, in India, the textile industries are very important. As we know, the textile industries, agricultural industries are highly labor intensive production techniques because they are using more labors than capital. And another example we can see in UK and US and especially the developed countries, they have shortage of labors and they are using more capital intensive production methods. They are using more capital than the labors. The last question regarding the allocation of resources is for whom to produce. Here we are going to discuss about the distribution of goods and services we are produced. For example, what type of category of people we are going to produce the goods and services. Say for example, in one country there are a lot of teenage group are there. In such situation, the country will focus on the production of goods and services mainly on that particular age group. So the country should face the problem of for whom to produce. So before allocating the resources, the organization or the government should think that which type of consumers these goods and services are producing for, then it would be effective. Now let me summarize the class. Today we discussed about the allocation of resources in an economy. We have discussed about basic economic problem, that is human wants are unlimited and resources are limited. So the government has to allocate the resources to goods and services. Then we discussed what is the meaning of allocation of resources. Allocation means the government or organization has a strategic plan to allocate or share their resources to their economy. Then before allocating the resources, every economy has to answer three basic economic questions. One, what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Under what to produce, we discussed what type of goods and services we have to produce and in which quantity. Next one, we discussed about how to produce. We were discussed about the production methods or production techniques, capital intensive or labor intensive. Third one, we discussed about for whom to produce. Here we were discussed about what type of consumers we are going to produce the goods and services. I hope you understood the class very well. If you have any doubts, please ask the questions into the Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day.